Welcome to our roundup of the best sleeping bags of 2026. The top picks to keep you warm, comfortable, and ready for great sleep on every outdoor adventure. Whether you're planning a chilly fall campout, backpacking through scenic trails, or just enjoying backyard stargazing, choosing the right sleeping bag makes a huge difference in your comfort and rest. We've selected sleeping bags known for their warmth, insulation quality, durability, comfort, and overall value. And we'll walk through key features like temperature rating, insulation type, size/weight, and ideal use cases so you can find the perfect fit for your camping needs. Be sure to check the description below for the latest prices and deals. Let's dive in. Starting off with the Coleman Heritage Sleeping Bag, this model offers dependable performance for casual campers and family outings. Coleman is a trusted name in outdoor gear, and this sleeping bag focuses on comfort and easy usability. With its traditional design and insulated lining, it's great for mild to moderate temperatures, perfect for spring, summer, and early fall car camping. The bag often features a soft interior that's comfortable against your skin, and its durable shell helps protect against moisture and abrasion. Users appreciate how easy it is to zip in and out, the roomy interior, and its affordability. However, it's best suited for moderate weather rather than extreme cold, making it ideal for weekend camping trips and casual outdoor sleepovers with friends or family. Next up is the Shinhai 0 Degree Sleeping Bag, a solid choice for adventurers who need extra warmth on cooler nights. With a 0-degree temperature rating, this bag is designed to handle colder conditions. Great for fall and early winter camping or mountain trips where the temperatures can drop significantly overnight. The insulation system typically uses quality synthetic fill to trap heat while still being lightweight and relatively compressible. Users love how snug and warm this bag feels in cold weather, often reporting that it holds heat well even when temperatures dip lower than expected. While it's warmer than basic models, those planning extreme cold expeditions may still want to pair it with insulated sleeping pads or layers for additional thermal support. If cold weather comfort is your priority, the Shinhai 0 Degree Sleeping Bag delivers reliable warmth for overnight adventures. Coming in next is the Hyzinus Cold Weather Sleeping Bag, another option aimed at campers who want dependable warmth, durability, and comfort without breaking the bank. This bag typically features robust insulation and a shape that helps trap heat efficiently, while reinforcing stitches and durable materials make it resilient against wear and tear from regular outdoor use. Its design often includes a built-in hood or insulated collar to reduce heat loss around your head and neck, a feature many cold weather campers appreciate. Users highlight how well it performs for weekend camping trips or longer journeys where colder nights are expected, and how its overall value helps balance performance and price. For campers who want warm, rugged comfort without excessive weight, the Hyzinus Cold Weather Sleeping Bag is a strong contender. Stepping up in versatility, the JOUIA sleeping bags bring solid performance for a range of camping conditions. These sleeping bags often feature a mid-range temperature rating that makes them adaptable for three-season use, spring through fall, and include comfortable interior lining, snug hoods, and durable outer shells. Whether you're heading out for backpacking adventures or car camping, their balanced design helps keep you warm without feeling bulky. Users appreciate the thoughtful blend of comfort, warmth, and packability, especially when hiking or moving between campsites. While they may not be optimized for extreme cold, their adaptability makes the JOUIA sleeping bags a great all-around choice for most outdoor enthusiasts who want reliable performance across diverse environments. Finally, taking the top spot as our favorite overall sleeping bag this year is the Malumi Backpacking Camping Sleeping Bag, a go-to option that combines lightweight portability with excellent warmth and comfort. Designed with backpackers in mind, this sleeping bag typically offers a good temperature rating for three-season use, meaning you can depend on it from spring through fall camping trips in most regions. Its synthetic insulation provides effective heat retention even in damp or humid conditions, and its compact pack size makes it easy to carry in a backpack without excess bulk. Campers love the Malumi Backpacking Camping Sleeping Bag for its thoughtful features like a contoured hood, draft tubes around the zipper to reduce heat loss, and a comfy interior liner that feels soft against skin. These details help enhance comfort and warmth without adding unnecessary weight or size. Whether you're hiking into a remote campsite or enjoying a weekend getaway, this sleeping bag's balance of warmth, portability, and durability makes it a standout choice for outdoor rest. All of these sleeping bags serve different needs and outdoor styles. The Coleman Heritage Sleeping Bag is perfect for mild weather car camping and casual use, while the Shinhai 0-degree Sleeping Bag and Hyzinus Cold Weather Sleeping Bag provide warmer options for cooler nights and more adventurous trips. The JAUIA sleeping bags offer adaptable performance for three-season camping, and the Malumi Backpacking Camping Sleeping Bag earns our top spot for its blend of lightweight convenience, warmth, and overall comfort for backpackers and frequent campers. That wraps up our list of the best sleeping bags of 2026. Whether you're gearing up for your first camping trip or upgrading your sleep system for fall and spring adventures, there's a perfect sleeping bag here for your next outdoor escape. Let us know in the comments which sleeping bag you'd choose. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest reviews and buying guides. Be sure to check the description below for current deals so you can grab the best sleeping bag for your adventure today.